which other way Paul has lied, with all due respect.
Enti nipa I was always strategize our life this 2026. Now who say enye adie bia na etwa se woni nipa she. To me ka kira we say ahoma ache no me ka kira we say nyankopon nyansem re se nyame wonne ma omiesu nkire nipa. You have to copy that character. Okay, 2 Corinthians chapter 12. There is this person nyankopon yi niama eni kwan se nipa hu na nipa te e kire no. Oh yeah, na adwen se opese oni nipa she. That is why nyankopon yi an agent of Satan to buffet such a person. It may catch our homa chene say die ni kwan se woni nipa di hu nkomo wo catch nipa ene wo benya Satan bofo babubo wakotunku. Do you know that God does not absolutely lives in heaven? The God that we Christians are following. There is no record in the Bible that states that God fully dwells in heaven. But this is what Paul said to Timothy, according to 1 Timothy chapter 6. He said that God dwells in unapproachable light. Unapproachable light. So this is how it looks like. God dwells in light. And the light is unapproachable. And in his own wisdom, he created the Shamayim and the earth with an intention to create certain beings or creatures, some to live in the heavens, some to dwell on earth. And he himself has deposited part of himself in heaven. That is, scriptures say, nyankopon nedwa eye osoro na asase ne nase entiaso. So heaven is like the courtroom of God, and heaven is like where the decisions that are made in heaven are being applied or being done. Eti nyankopon nyansem no nyame otehan mu na wabo osoro de na body bi edua na waba asase nso de na body bi edua ha na ono ankasa nam so oye omnipresence na owo baabi enti no owo soro wa asase so bet ne court our heaven. Enti when we say our Father who is in heaven, we are definitely referring to some part of God. Because some part of God, I'm not saying I'm watching him but it is like the king of the Ashanti, Otumfo Setutu the second. If you want to see Otumfo Setutu the second, his courtroom and as his royal majesty, no, baby, the kingdom ewo Menshia Palace. But before say all betima Menshia, not our baby ankasa ehona oti. Until in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Where was God before creating the heavens and the earth? It means he dwells in a particular place before creating the universe. So God does not dwell only in heaven, but rather he dwells in an unapproachable light. And the reason God dwells in an unapproachable light is that as God, there are things he doesn't allow his creatures to have access to. Nyankopon nyansem no enye bibia na nyankopon ma na bode kwan se wo mu nkom. Enti nyankopon han a otimu according to 1 Timothy chapter 6 no abofo mpo entumi nya access. Yen a ye nipa mpo yentumi nya access. Wo ma wo access eye wo ma wo ma ne dignity eye pe. Wo ma ne rank eye pe. We all know that the Hebrew word Elohim talks of three triune being, Father, Son, Spirit. So the Trinity dwells in unapproachable light. And a yenya na body no we ma provide the system yen wo mu die gu ho a wo mu tumi yen communicate. In the attributes of God, we have essential attributes and moral attributes. I told you, say, the attributes of God and essential attributes are some of the characteristics of God that cannot be shared or copied by man. Ebi say God is omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient. That is God is all powerful, all knowing, everywhere. We all know say nobody on earth created by God or nobody in heaven created by God is omnipresent or omniscient or omnipotent. Nyankopon nyansem no ade bia nyame bo ye bia wa ma ade ne limit ade no kokuduro. Eti ye ne ye nipa nyame do wo se den kora ye wo limit o ma wo kodu. Nyankopon won niam bia o ma nipa access to it or ma above access to it. It is the moral attribute of God that a goodness, faithfulness, gracious, mercy, and love. No? Those attributes can be copied or can be shared with his creatures. It is nyame boy no. Ye won niam bi wo Nyankopon ho a yetumi ne Nyankopon ehye. And ye won niam bi bo no ma ye ni Nyankopon enhye. So me catch we say Luke chapter 5. Ebra Peter, Yesu man yi nam bebre no. He called his friends to come and help him. And at the end, and I'm dodo a Peter nya no. Enye no kudu mu nkwa na odi gu ye. O ma John and James and so efa nam ni bi gu o mu kudu. To make a choice say there are things that obey nipa you have to share with human. Ye won ne mebo on ma was say wo chire nipa na wo bie mu chire nipa. And ye won ne mebo on ma ye ni nipa share. John Matthew chapter 25 Bible said the wise virgins told the foolish virgins say the oil that we have cannot be shared with you. We can't share it with you. Enti nipa I was always strategize our life this 2026. Now who say enye adie bia na etwa se woni nipa share. To make a chira we say ahoma ache na make a chira we say Nyankopon nyansem re se nyame won niam omie su nchire nipa. You have to copy that character. Okay, 2 Corinthians chapter 12. There is this person, Nyankopon yi niam eni kwan se nipa hu na nipa te e kire no. Oh yeah, na adwen se opese oni nipa share. That is why Nyankopon yi an agent of Satan to buffet such a person. Enti me ka kire wa homa kye se die ni kwan se woni nipa di hu nkomo wo ka kire nipa enye obenya Satan bofo bebubo wa kutunku. This is what we discuss at dawn. Ahoma kye bia me ba life and obey discuss intimacy moment. So intimacy moment in you say enye ade bia na wo se woni nipa share. And then ya ade bia so na wo se udisie nipa. Die twa se wo manipa hu no manipa hu. Me catch you say wo nipa bi wo ho no mo a enye mebi wo no wa amana hu na wa nte ase a conflict be ba wo ne ntem. Enye wo ne mebi so wo no mo a se wo manipa hu a obetumi agina so asoliate ya. You have to be sensitive. You have to be spiritually discerned. Na when we say asem me catch nipa we abeboa me we nsema anka nche na abeboa. In Micah catch you say sometimes oba oda okukum mpo ne ho na wiawa no. In context na Micah time no nipa nature develop dum pempens was say de ususu so ni papa kra otese hwere mo ye mu bebre wo ho no mo a de ni kwan se nka wo ka kire nipa waka de ni kwan se wo bie su kire nipa wo bie de ni kwan se wo ma nipa hu wa ma nipa hu. Paul ka kire Korinto asafo ne say when I came to you, I couldn't discuss with you spiritual things because you are spiritually infants, you are babes in Christ. And my own from say Hebrews say, Adriania den fata wana wenyi hu fema anemunti. One cat there, akokwa papa ne bone hu ye hu. Enye bibia na wose wuchire nipa. Enye bibia na wose oma nipa hu. Adamfo no a wo wose wo don ne penasam no, ono nso wo bi o don ne penasam chen. And my own from who say deɛ wo ka wasamache na wususu sɛ deɛ wo kyire ma che no benya nanim adom no ɔno nso wɔ nipa obetumi aka sa asam na kyerɛ no de apɛ ɔno nso anim adom enti yɛn ka sɛ nkyerɛ wasɛm mu nkyerɛ nipa because problem shared sometimes is problem half solved enti oyɛ dan a wobenya nkranhye firi nipa nkyɛn wobehia futu firi nipa nkyɛn nanso wo nipa hwɛ ne hunu die twa sɛ wo ka kyerɛ nipa ne die ntwa sɛ wo eni kwan sɛ wo ka kyerɛ nipa ɛma wo mfi hu sɛ Nyankopɔn baabi ɔte Odo said den kra o ma wo ma ha efri say God has intentionally covered himself in an unapproachable light and he dwells in and what creative system na body odi enegu nti creative system bi ma wo ho a nipa bi nya access into your life nipa bi ntimi nya access into your private life. There are many people the moment some things are exposed to them that thing begins to pull them off. Amawre mfo hu say me ka che wa homa kye ne say akan the man who covered the any class of and said the new boss he can go to so Jericho. He couldn't control himself. ye woni pebu on ma ohu the nakedness of a woman a ontumi control no obi nso tumi hu no abonani atra ni nyina gina the inner tenacity and the capacity and the greatness and the maturity level the person has enti se we hu nipa won ne nam na we read the spirit of man and steady nipa yie na we hu se asem we etwasa meka asem we ni kwansa meka obeye great mistake. Am I right from say our outward appearance can be naked, but our inner man is covered. Only God sees our nakedness. Learn from God because He created you in His own image and likeness. Am I right from say in the image of God you are created, after the likeness of God you are made. Therefore, learn from God. And you begin to say be a suture nipa. You want to crave one ma waka chire nipa ebe hano. You want to crave one ma waka chire nipa obe mana bodam. Eti Yesu say me won sempi ka chire mo but sesi amu ntumi nsoa. There are people the intra wo ma di nwammo na wo ma ka wo nsam ne pull you down nyina ne say level wo mo wo no enye so me nipa bone o but level wo mo wo no de wo ka chire wo mo no wo ma ho odi ntumi enti no enye obia na de wonam wudi di hu nkoma obetumi agina no ena enye obia na de wonam wu kyire no obetumi ama wa no yie pa enti hunu nipa level ne hunu nkoma nipa bia obetumi ne di anya sa you might bring chaos to your life. Am I right from who said shaman encounter egusu a ekoso you can join our Bible class obetumi join a Bible school no I'll be fat my number and I'll be to my text me message. Ahomachi bia me ba live our TikTok me page. Am I right from who say Monday to Friday 4 a.m. and Saturdays and Sundays enumere 5 p.m. Am I right from who say if you see your own dog barking at you trying to bark you or bite you then I was so who said a stranger is feeding your own dog. Eraden kan ho na omwa na afi e mawre mfun hu se deda akokoya enyane obi no. Se ha dede na akokoya obi nso se ha no. Shalom.